I want to get her face.
It's going to be hard because I don't leave her alone long enough.
Look at her feet up in the air. Oh, Sufeli.
They're a riot. Hello, honey. Hello, baby.
There, I
What are
gotta
you
face that.
chewing on anything you can get your little mouth on now, huh?
Crash. Tess, nice. Just stand on her. She makes a good slide.
Pull her hair out?
Yeah, pull her tail. Greenie. Sophie, you better push him off.
Was he just humping her?
No, he was trying to pull her hair
Oh.
on her shoulders.
Oh, somebody just got her foot. Is that Tess?
No,
No.
Tess is up here.